Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix LinkedIn crashing on Android phone. So here follow the steps. Tap and hold LinkedIn app icon and then click on app info, then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and then click on clear data and confirm it. Now you can launch LinkedIn app and check if the crashing issue has been fixed or not. If not, then tap and hold LinkedIn app icon, then click on uninstall and then confirm uninstall. Now after uninstalling the LinkedIn app, simply restart your Android phone once, and once your Android phone restarts, open Play Store, tap on search for LinkedIn and tap on it, then install LinkedIn app. And once your LinkedIn app gets installed, log into your account and then you can check if the crashing issue is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.